Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we just cruised over in the Lowrider project truck, and we're gonna be hanging out with my friend Mike, working on his car today. Today what we got to do is get a water pump on this thing, a new water pump, get the radiator back in, and fire it up and see if she goes down the road all right, which hopefully that'll be the issue. There was some little cooling issues, and he had noticed some cooling dripping down there. I actually never noticed on these a lot of these older engines, it's like a flat plate that the water pump sits on, and these are the ports the coolant goes through. As to like on my truck in the previous videos, if you've seen, there's like a cove, and that's what our water pump bolts to. So I don't know, pretty interesting, really cool to see, and excited to see what we got to do to get this back together. As far as it looks, we'll probably just start with getting our gasket or gasket maker on the new water pump and bolting that up, and we'll just start assembling our brackets from there. So we got our gasket here. We're gonna be extra cautionary now, and we're going to run some gasket maker on the surface right here first, then place our gasket and run a little bit more of the RTB, and then we'll plug it in. And there we have it. So right now what we did is we put a little bit of gasket maker on each side of the gasket, and we're plugging this in now. We're going to tighten it down and just let it dry. It should be good to go right after. So right now we got to pull the thermostat housing off. We forgot to add our little hose here, real small hose, but once we get this off, we'll re-gasket maker it, slap it on, and move to the next part. So right over here, we just installed the AC bracket. I think next we're gonna do the power steering bracket, get all the hoses back on the water pump, and after that, we'll probably get our belts and fan back on, and we'll be good to go. See if this thing starts. Oh yeah, we gotta get the radiator in too. As far as we've gotten so far, we just got the water pump on. We've got our thermostat housing on. We applied the bracket for the AC and the compressor up here. And I just realized, I was like, man, the harmonic balancer only has 2 grooves. And I was trying to figure out how it ran 3 belts, and I didn't even realize the fan is what runs all 3 belts. So I think we're going to install that a little bit later. We're just going to make sure all of our hoses are tight, install this hose over here. It's going pretty good so far. So y'all are probably getting real tired of hearing this, but now that I have the truck here, I can show it. The wheels I have on this truck came off this car. All right, sweet. We've been making some excellent progress so far. We got all of our pulleys in place, our brackets in place, all the belts on. They're not tightened yet. We're going to install the radiator first, and then we're going to put the fan on last and tighten this, and then we'll adjust all of our belts. See if she kicks. So we just dropped the new radiator in. We got to mount it up. We just put in the hoses, the transmission lines, because this car is an automatic, and just got to grab our old cap, throw it on there, throw some coolant in this thing, and fire. Moment of truth, guys. Okay, it's turning. That's a good thing. Oh, nice. It's okay. It's okay. She's just cold. I'm soaked. This is a dub. Seems like we're making progress. Our belts were too tight. I think that's our biggest deal with this wheel. Well, all right, guys, we have successfully completed this. We forgot to put the cap on, so we lost a little coolant, but filled that back up. We are good to go. If that's the only thing to go wrong, I'll take it. This is a pretty fun little install, and gotta head home now and see what else this video has got in store for us. A little rolling clip. So sick, dude. All right, guys, here it is down the road right now. I just caught him cruising out and about, so I had to stop and take a quick vid. It's probably like 9 at night anyway, but it's looking sick. I'm hyped. Oh, for sure. Now we in the Delta. Woo! So sick. Yeah, with all the homies hanging out, going for another cruise.
Parking lot's basically freewheeling.
Alright, guys, I wanted to grab a quick clip of the Delta. It's been about a week since we've taken a video of it. We did the water pump, but since then, like I said, Mike's gotten the new wheels on, and he's been driving it around. It was burning some serious coolant, so we tried some like liquid head gasket, and it actually worked really well, and he hasn't been burning any coolant, so that's a huge win. Probably going to wrap this up as a shorter video. I'm going to upload this just like this and start probably a small series with this car. We got a lot of fun things he wants to do to it, so I'll walk you guys around next video on some of the things that need fixing and some of the things that are to come for this car, and you guys will be really excited for that. It's going to be some seriously awesome content. But I appreciate you checking out today's video. Maybe this one will just be a video of how to do the water pump on this, just to show you guys us getting it back, bringing it back to life and getting it on the road. So I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.